Hi, it's Kathy, Crafty Chica, and today I'm going to show you how to make washi tape note cards. I have an abundance of washi tape and I'm trying to find creative ways to use all of it, and these note cards came out so perfect. Aside from washi tape, you're going to need a note card. You could cut this from cardstock, or you could buy them in little packages at the craft store or even the dollar store. And all we are doing is layering the washi tape according to different sizes, different widths, different patterns, different colors. We're creating a really beautiful collage of textures and patterns and storytelling, all by using washi tape. Now, this is a piece of cardstock that I cut to size. It measures 5 by 7 inches. You fold it in half, boom, the perfect size for a note card. And there are envelopes readily available that you can use. So once you have all of these down on the front of the greeting card, use some non-stick scissors to go through and trim off all of the edges. I went a little bit excessive going over the edge because I just wanted to make sure that I had full coverage of the washi tape on the front. Go through, press all of these in place. If some of them are not very sticky, use a glue stick to make sure that they are really affixed strongly to the front of the card. These are all of the ones I made. They look beautiful just like this, but now I wanted to add some centerpieces and some accent designs to make each card really pop. So I took some images. I found these on Etsy, printed them on heavy photo paper, and I used some dimensional glue dots to put on the back of each image. Now, I could put this flat on there, but I decided that because it's so busy with all the washi tape and the image is kind of busy, it really needed a solid background for that main image. So I took one of my Crafty Chica dies. I have the link here where you could see them for sale. And I cut one out in this beautiful metallic teal cardstock. And then I used foam tape on the centerpiece image so that I could place that right in the center of the metallic teal. And oh, it just looks so pretty, doesn't it? I am definitely not a minimalist. I'm a maximalist. So you could see all the craziness of these patterns going on, and now this image that has even more patterns in it. So again, I'm going to use something to kind of break that up, and it's going to have glitter. This is also from my Crafty Chica die set. This glittered red cardstock heart right over the image. As you can see, the theme of this is dimension. We want to create a really savory visual experience. Savory experience? Okay, well, I'll take it. So now we're going to add the third element, which are the details. Now I'm using these Nouveau Crystal Drops by Tonic Studios. They are so beautiful. They have so many amazing products that come in different colors. And what I really love about these is they do not dry sticky or tacky. They dry very dry. So you can literally tap them against each other and make a little noise, because I've used puffy paint in the past where it dries a little bit sticky. This is not the case. And I'm just going around all the embellishments to add a little pop of dimension with all these beautiful different colors. Now, when it comes to washi tape, you could literally just buy a big pack of washi tape. You could look for it at the thrift store. I have been saving it up for years. I used to have 3 bins of washi tape, and I've been doing so many crafts with it that now I'm down to 1 bin, but I love all of them so much. And you can see how much combining these 3 elements of the washi tape with the focal point image with the dimensional accents, it just tells a beautiful multi-layered story, just like you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think and what kind of other crafts you want me to share. And visit craftychica.com for even more crafty ideas. Thanks. Bye-bye.